Hi, websites are made with lots of things like frameworks, libraries, assets and utilities. Keeping track all of these packages manually and making sure they are up to date or set the specific version you need is tricky. We can use Bower to make these things easier. Bower can manage components like HTML, CSS, JavaScript, font or even image files. Bower doesn't concatenate or minify your code, it just simply installs the right package you need. Bower is a front-end package manager. You can install it and use it very easily. First go to bower.io. You can find all of the information, document and packages in the Bower website. It is Bower official website. We need to have Node and Git installed to use Bower. So first go to Node.js, click in the green big button 5.5.0 at the time of this recording stable Windows 64-bit binary and download it in your computer, and after that you have to download Git. If you have already installed, you can verify it. Go into your project folder, click on the file, open command prompt, type node version, node version. Node already installed in my computer and added to the path. It's 5.5.0, and check if the Git is installed. Type git version, git version. Git is not recognized as an internal external command, so we have to add it in the path variable. How can we do it? Go to your program files where Git is installed, the binary folder, and click on the navigation bar. It will select all it and Ctrl+C copy. So you can just search on variable. Here it is, edit environment variables for your account. So we have to edit the path. You just put a semicolon at the end and paste the path, but you don't need to put semicolon at the very end. Just click OK and OK. Now I think it is installed. So let's check again. Type git version. Yeah, now it's working perfectly. So we have Node and my computer. So now install Bower. You can install Bower as local dependency like BOW Bower. We are using npm. We can install Bower packages in locally like npm install Bower. It will install in this because we use Bower in our day-to-day project, so we can install it globally. So type -g flag to install it globally, so we can use it anywhere in our any project. Click OK and wait for installation. Yeah, it's installing pretty quickly. Okay, Bower is now installed, and Bower is now latest version 1.7.7 at this time of this recording. So let's use Bower. So create a project folder for your project. Suppose I name it Bower project. Suppose we have an index.html file. Okay, let's install Bootstrap with Bower. Bootstrap is a very popular responsive framework. Type Bower install Bootstrap. You don't need to go to the website and type Bootstrap or go to GitHub, download it. You just download it by command line very quickly. Bower will create a Bower components folder by default, and there it will install all of its dependencies. And the nice thing about Bower is Bower installs Bootstrap for our project dependencies, and Bootstrap uses jQuery for its dependencies. So Bower automatically install jQuery. Multiple packages depend on a package like jQuery. You need to install jQuery one time, not many times, and Bower, if you try to install it second time, Bower will pull it up from the cache. Okay, here Bower is installed. Bower install Bootstrap and Bower install our jQuery, so we can easily use it in our index.html file. I'm not gonna showing you because it's not an HTML course, but let's start again from scratch. Let bower to initiate a package for us. Like you can type bower init. It will create a bower.json file to track all of your dependencies. Your prompt for name, okay, bower project, it's a project name, description, project is you can put on nothing, project main file index.html, which is node module. You can type space there, you select it and enter. Keywords bower, author Nadim, last time it is okay, homepage okay, no problem, it's set, yeah, everything is fine. Component dependencies, yes, okay, default is fine, yeah, look good, yes. So here is a bower.json configuration file. Okay, here's a JSON file. So JSON file name, description, module type, and here is our bower components, ignoring by git. Okay, now we can track our bower project by typing, okay, let's install bootstrap again, like bower install bootstrap, but at this time I will put -- save flag. It will save into the bower.json file for keep tracking. Okay, our bootstrap is installed again, but now when I put -- save flag, it save it as a dependency. So whenever you want to pull all of your packages or update, you just type, suppose if I delete the bower project folder, bower dependency folder, here our project, and if I type in bower install, bower will read the package.json, bower will read the bower.json file and install its dependencies. Like I just type bower install, sorry, bower install, yeah, it's installing bootstrap. Because it's there in our dependencies, so in bower.json file know which package to download, and we can install as a package as a development dependency, like a testing tool. So if I type bower install -- save, at this time I will put -dev, so that development dependency, like I want to install D3, suppose I click enter, bower will save it to the bower.json file, the packet version and the package number, version number and the name, and also create a D3 site. This is installing, it's pretty large, 2.9 MB. I think D3 is finished installing. Now we can go to bower component. Yeah, here are D3, and you will see a new dev dependencies. Here are our development dependencies, D3, and our project main dependency, bootstrap. Okay. And now, what if you don't want bower_components folder? You want it inside another folder, your custom folder, like an asset folder. How can you install it? We need to have configured bower to install or override its default. So just for now, again, delete this. Create a bower.rc file. You cannot create preceding file here. You need to create it with code editor. So drag our project folder in the code editor, like Sublime Text, views, show the site where, create new file, type directory to override the default directory, and name it, suppose what, assets, assets / components / So There's many configuration in this. You can do it in this specific file. For reference, you can go to bower and go to their configuration, but I will show you just this. Now save it as dot bower bower rc file. Okay, save it. Yeah. Now if I go to my folder again, open a command prompt again and type now bower. Okay, let's now search for a package. How can you search it? We type bower search, EARC, bower search. Suppose bower search for select2, very popular framework for select box. Select2, if it is in the bower repository. Yeah, there are lots of names select2. Okay, there's first one we want. So bower search select2, you can search any package if it is in the bower repository, and you can give your own package to the bower registry by typing bower register and your git package in point. I'm not going to showing you this now, but let's install select2. Bower install select2. I think it will now install on our assets and components directory. Yeah, I think so. Yeah, it's installed. Now you can see here assets, and the inside is inside components folder. And nice thing about it track all of our projects and install it again from the package by reading bower.json file. Because I didn't put dash save here, so it didn't save here, so you cannot keep track. If you want to keep track, you have to put dash save version, dash save flag. Okay, and if you want, you can, whenever if you want to update your dependency, you just type bower update, and bower will read the bower.json file and try to update your packages if they are available or upgrade version available. Okay, now everything is fine, and I am Nadim. Thanks for watching.